Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be talking about sharing your autoresponder or your squeeze page to the people that are going to be interested in having their problem solved or having the problem solved that your bribe actually speaks to. Now, when you do this, obviously, you are basically promoting and advertising your link. Now, this video is not about paid advertising, but it is about getting that link in front of the right people. People who, when they see that you are looking to solve their problem, they are going to want to opt in. Now, you can do this free on social media sites, so in places like Facebook and LinkedIn. Now, when you do that, what you want to do is you want to pay attention to groups, right? You want to pay attention to groups on Facebook and LinkedIn where there's an interest in your subject matter or where people have the problem that that you're trying to solve. Now, what's important about that is that, of course, you are not necessarily looking to gather where the experts are who are talking about the problem. You want to gather where people are going to be interested in having this problem solved. Right? Now, another way to think about this, of course, is to share this on YouTube also. So you want to have videos that address the problem, and then you are going to provide a link that will give them a solution to that problem after the video, someplace in the video where they can actually click. Now, as I said, the objective is not necessarily to join the group of other people with your subject matter. So in other words, you don't want to, if you are looking to solve the problem of dog training or let's say making money online, you don't necessarily want to join a group of experts on making money online. They're looking to share their expertise. You might want to look to be part of a group where people are looking for alternatives to getting a job or alternatives to things that they are doing for income, because they're going to be the most interested in what you have to offer. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't be in places where experts are sharing information, but you don't want to be one voice among many. You want to be one voice among many that is sharing a solution to a problem. So think about where your bribe is going to make the most sense, where your bribe is going to have the most impact, and that is where you want to share your link. You want to focus your attention on YouTube, on Facebook, and on LinkedIn. Now, obviously, you are going to have a video to share on YouTube, but you can definitely get in front of people who have the problem that your bribe solves. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.